If you're facing GPS issues on the Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this problem. Now the only way you can fix this problem is just swipe from the right side and open the widget section, and from here just open the workouts widget. Now just tap on more and tap on the gear icon in front of the workout with which you are facing GPS problems. For example, I will select walking. Tap on the gear icon in front of walking, and from here just tap on workout start. Now instead of countdown, just tap on manual. Now after you select manual, just go back and start your workout. Now as you can see, it is showing detecting. Now what this means is that it is detecting the GPS of your phone. Now once it detects the GPS location, it will show ready. After it shows ready, just tap on start to start your workout, and you will fix the GPS problem. But if your Galaxy Fit 3 is stuck on detecting, so to fix this issue, first of all, just bring your Android phone which you have paired with your Galaxy Fit 3 and swipe down from the top of the screen. Now in the control center, just make sure that the location services has been enabled. After you enable the location services, then just go to your home screen and open the Galaxy Wearable app. And from here, just make sure that your Galaxy Wearable app is paired with your Galaxy Fit 3. If it is not paired, just tap on connect and pair your Galaxy Fit 3 with your Android phone. But if your Galaxy Fit 3 is already paired with your Android phone, then just tap on this icon over here and tap on the link icon. Now just disconnect your phone from your band, then tap on connect and connect your phone again with your Galaxy Fit 3. Now if this did not fix your issue, then just go to your home screen and tap and hold on the Galaxy Wearable app. Then tap on the eye icon. From here, just tap on App Permissions and make sure you give this app the permission to nearby devices. Just select Allow. After you've done that, then go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now if there is any software update available for the Galaxy Wearable app, just tap on Update and update this app. After that, just tap on Open and tap on Band Settings. Under the band settings, just tap on software update and tap on download and install. And from here, just check if there is any software update available for the Galaxy Fit 3. If there is any software update available, just update the software of your Galaxy Fit 3. But if this also did not work, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just open the battery settings, just like that. And from here, just find the low power mode of your Android phone. In my Android phone, it is under current mode. And over here, this is the low power mode, which is called battery saver. Now, if battery saver or low power mode is enabled on your Android phone, just disable it, because this interferes with the GPS working of your Android phone. After that, just go to your home screen and restart your Android phone. Just open the power menu, then select Reboot. Now while your Android phone is rebooting, now just force restart your Galaxy Fit 3. For that, just press and hold the side button until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. After you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release the side button. After your phone and your Galaxy Fit 3 finishes restarting, then just go to the home screen and open the Galaxy Wearable app. From here, just pair your band again with your phone. Now after you have paired your Galaxy Fit 3 with your Android phone, now on your Galaxy Fit 3, just open the widget section again and open the workout section. And from here, just select the workout which we have started. As you can see, it is detecting, and once it says ready, just tap on start. As you can see, it is ready. Now just tap on start and start your workout. And this is how you can fix the GPS error on the Galaxy Fit 3. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.